Hello everyone.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning,
What do
sir.
we? I'm audible now?
So are we gonna do AutoCAD today?
All of you have received your laptop.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not yet.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So last class we have done projection of point or projection of line, right?
Line, yes, sir.
So today we will start projection of plane. This we are skipping. Okay, exercise number 4. We will see that later if time is there, but that is not more important. What is important here? Yes. Okay. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay, can you see now? I have shared. All of you can see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to start projection of planes, right? So I hope all of you have submitted last assignment, last week.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we did in projection of line, like in different coordinates, like in first quadrant, second quadrant, there was some line, and orientation of line was given, or you can say position or location of line was given. And after keeping that line in first quadrant with respect to horizontal and vertical plane, you are looking from the front and top, right? And you are drawing in front view and top view. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what we are going to do in projection of plane, that I will explain you first. Okay. These are the some problems that we'll go through. Maybe question number 1 and 2. If time is there, then I will go to 3 also. Okay. So can you see this? There are 3 figures now. 1, 2,
Yes,
3.
sir.
So this light blue color is vertical plane, and this light yellow color is horizontal plane. You can see. Hello. This is VP. This is VP. This is HP. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Means
sir.
this is first quadrant or second quadrant?
First quad.
First.
First quadrant, right? And this blue color object you can see now. This is a plane. You know what is plane? Plane. It can be triangular plane, rectangular plane, circular plane,
Yes, sir.
hexagonal plane, pentagonal plane. It can be there, na? There are various kind of
2D
plane.
figure.
Yes, various kind of plane. So what we are going to do in this exercise, like suppose this is a rectangular plane, right? So this plane will be kept in first quadrant, and it all the details will be given. can I will discuss about this. You can see this blue color plane. Na? This is rectangular plane, right? And this is, suppose this side is A and this is B. So A is longer side, B is shorter side. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. So can I say about this plane? This plane is parallel to horizontal plane and perpendicular to vertical plane. Can I say that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Here I have taken rectangular plane. In the same place you have put other. You can put other plane also. Like it can be it can be triangular also. It can be circular also, and it can be pentagonal, hexagonal plane also. That doesn't matter. Okay, but orientation of this plane, how I will say, like this plane is parallel to horizontal plane and perpendicular to vertical plane. Am I correct? Now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I also say longer side of this plane means A is parallel to VP.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I also say shorter side is perpendicular to VP?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Short. Can I also say that? Okay, so that is clear now. Come to here. Second problem. Second figure. This one. This one. In this figure, can I say this plane, okay, is perpendicular to vertical plane, but it is inclined with horizontal plane by some angle. This plane is
Yes, sir.
perpendicular to vertical plane,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
but it is inclined with horizontal plane. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And you can see now you come in this figure number 1, okay, this one. Now, if you look in this position, in this orientation, when you're looking from the front, what you will see?
A
A
single
straight
line.
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 Yes, you will see one line. And
Excuse me, sir.
that length of that line will be
आपकी
equal
आवाज नहीं
to
आ रही.
larger side.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Okay, today's network is very slow. Okay, so now you are getting now.
Yes, sir.
Sir, could you repeat the last one?
सर आपका लाइन रिपीट हुआ कर दीजिए सर आपका आवाज कट गया था
Okay, now it is clear.
यस सर यस सर
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, so come to this figure number 1, right? When you're looking from the front, what you will see?
सर लाइन
Straight line.
लाइन है लाइन है
Line. Okay, line A. Means you will, and the length of that projection means in front view will be equal to larger side, which will be equal to A,
यस सर
Yes, sir.
right? And can I say this plane is parallel to horizontal plane and at the distance of 20 mm. Means it is 20 mm above the horizontal plane and it is parallel to horizontal plane. Are you getting my point?
यस सर
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And can I also say this corner, or you can say this edge is in front of the vertical plane and at a distance of 30 mm. Are you getting it now? Why I'm telling this? Because exactly I have to locate this plane. If I have these two information, I can imagine. Na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you're looking from the front, you are seeing you can see one line. Okay. What you will see when we are looking from the top means from top this side.
Plane. Rectangular plane.
Plane.
A rectangle.
Okay, and that area of that projection means this one will be equal to your original area.
A into B sir
Yeah, that means projection. Whatever projection you are getting on this
Sir, your
horizontal
voice is
plane
not
top
audible.
view, this
Not
area will
audible,
be equal
sir.
to original area. Wait.
Yes, sir.
यस सर
Now I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can see, right? So when you're looking from the top in this figure one, you will see one plane and the projected area will be equal to original area. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now come to figure number two, this one. This plane is inclined, this plane is perpendicular to vertical plane and inclined with horizontal plane by some angle theta. In that case, if you're looking from the front, what you will see?
Line.
Sir, incline.
Line. Inclined line, and the length of that line will be equal to original length A. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
What you will see when you're looking from the top?
Plane.
A rectangle
a rectangle.
with a smaller area.
Yes, means you will get one rectangle, but can you tell me the projected area will be more than original area or less than original area?
Less
Less
than
than original
original.
area.
Because
Less than.
because see this length this original length A is inclined with horizontal plane, right? So
Yes,
suppose
sir.
this is one point, right? This is another point, and distance of this point from horizontal plane is given 20 mm, and distance of this point is given 30 mm from horizontal plane, right? You draw the projection of this point, you will get one point here. Okay, you draw the projection of this point, you will get one projection here, and you join this. So this length means A dash will be lesser than original length, na?
Apparent length कम होगा sir.
Apparent length means this A dash will be less than original length.
Yes sir.
Okay, so that is the what we are going to do. Like this, there are several planes. We will keep that plane, okay, and in different coordinates according to given situation, and we will look from the top and the front, okay, and we'll draw. I hope what we are going to that is clear, no?
Yes sir.
Sir,
Okay, so you can see projection of this on 2D plane is this one. Top view, front view will get one line, top view will get one rectangle. Similarly here also, in this case, you will get one inclined line in front view and reduced area you will get in top view. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now come to question number one. What is question one? A pentagonal plane. Which plane?
pentagon.
Pentagonal.
Pentagonal plane A, B, C, D, E of 30 mm. Side is given 30 mm, right? Is parallel to, right? It is parallel to and 10 mm above horizontal plane. 10 mm above the horizontal plane. Plane is pentagonal. One side of that pentagonal is given, means all sides are 30, regular pentagon, right? So 30 side is given, and this plane is parallel to horizontal plane, like this first condition. Okay, and it is 10 mm above the 10 above the horizontal plane. Its one side, its one side is parallel to and in front of VP. Are you getting my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Suppose this
Yes,
is your
sir.
first,
Yes, sir.
this is your first quadrant, right? अब देखना थोड़ा छोटा बन गया है, but just wait. Okay, I will try to draw it. So plane is perpendicular to horizontal plane and distance from the horizontal plane is 10 mm. It's one side is parallel to and in front of VP, right? Means one side like this. Suppose this side is parallel to VP, and like this you can draw. Are you getting my point? You can see now this one side is parallel to the VP.
Yes, sir.
And what is another statement? The corner opposite to this side. Which side? With the side which is parallel to vertical plane. This vertical plane. Opposite to this side, there is one corner. Can I say this corner? This is the opposite corner of that side.
Yes, sir.
And the distance of this corner is 70 mm in front of vertical plane. When distance of this from vertical plane or XY line, from vertical plane means, can I say that XY line? Na?
Yes, sir.
So this distance is given 70 mm. So in this case, whenever you are looking from the top, what you will see? When you're looking from the top, what you will see?
Pentagon.
Plane.
Pentagonal plane, right? And when looking from the front,
Sir, line.
That side.
Line.
That
line, right? That's good. So now you come here. You can. This is the solution.
Your voice
First
again.
one. Okay. Can you hear? Hello.
Yes, sir. Now it's good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can see this is question number 1. Na? This is your front. This is your top view. This is your top view, right? And when you're looking from the top, and what is this?
This is from E to B.
This is your front view, na? Hello.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How you will draw
Yes,
front
sir.
view? First you draw top view, right? After that, what you can do? There is this point 1 here, another point is here. Okay, you just project this point. And what is this distance? This is 10 mm, na? This plane is parallel to horizontal and 10 mm above the horizontal plane.
Yes, sir.
So you can see that this plane is parallel to horizontal and 10 mm above. Means when you're looking from the front, you will see one line, and that line will be line. Hello.
Sir, your voice
Yes.
is not clear, sir.
Today I don't know why it is happening like this.
Yes, sir.
I am audible now.
Yes, sir.
So when you're looking from the front, okay, you will see one line, right? And that line is 10 mm above 10 mm above the horizontal plane. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So you can see this line now. This line is 10 mm. So how you will draw it? You will like you take extreme points. This is the like when you're looking from the yes, Rishabh Prasad.
Sir, by
Rishabh
mistake, sir.
Prasad.
Sir, by mistake it happened. Sorry, sir.
Okay. So you're looking from the front. Okay. So whatever you take this point and this point, you take projection of this. Like you all the green line will be dotted. Okay, you go here and here also in the same way here also. You will get another point. You can extend this also. Okay. Can you see here? When you're looking from this side, which point you will see? Can you see point C and D when you're looking from the front? Hello.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir, we
sir.
can't see.
From you cannot see, na? You will see
Yes.
only E, A, and B.
Yes, sir.
This point you will see, this point you will see. Another 2 points are behind, so you cannot see. So E is E dash, B is B dash, A is A dash. Another this D and C is D dash and C dash, but it is in bracket. You can see, no? This is in bracket, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point? It is bracket means what? Means you cannot
Yes, sir.
see that point. So that is the way you will see, you will show, like whenever you cannot see any point and it is not looking okay. In that case, you will draw in you write in bracket, right? I hope first question is clear, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will come to second question. A rectangular plane, right? A rectangular plane ABCD of 50 mm by 20 mm. What is longer side? What is longer side?
50 mm. 50 mm.
Shorter is 20. Right? Has
Yes, sir.
its plane perpendicular to VP. Plane is perpendicular to VP. Imagine this one, second case. Okay, it is similar to this case. VP and inclined at 30 degree to the horizontal plane. It is similar to this now. Case number 2 here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Its corner A is 20 mm above the horizontal plane. Means this corner you can see. From this, it is distance is given. This distance is given from horizontal plane. 20 mm above the horizontal plane and 15 mm in front of the vertical plane. Means this and this distance. Hello. 15 mm in front of the vertical plane. So this is given 15. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now draw the projections of the plane when the longer side is parallel to the vertical plane. You can see now in this figure there is shorter side B. And see now this shorter side is B, longer side is A, and longer side is parallel to vertical plane. Are you getting or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
All of you are getting this? Good. So now this is actual problem. When you're looking from the front, you will see one line, and from the top, you will see one area rectangle, but that area will be lesser than original area, right? So in this
Yes.
case, you can see this one, this one. So first, what you will draw? This is the front view, right? What is this distance? What is this distance? This one.
Sir, 50
1.20, na?
20.
What is
20,
distance
20,
from
sir.
horizontal plane?
20 mm.
Yes. This the distance of point A from horizontal, that is 20, right? You start, inclination is given, length is given, you draw and take a arc of 50, so that is okay. See, actually this is shifted here, but it will be here. Okay. Top, what you will see,
Sir, could
and
you
this
repeat?
end you just
Unable
come
to
here.
hear you, sir.
Okay. What this distance is given now? 20 mm. Means you know the starting point. You draw the line at given angle, right? And length of line is given a longer side. Longer side length is given.
Yes, sir.
So this is 50. You take arc of 50. Okay, or you can measure also. So that is your front view. Now in top view, how you will draw? Location of this point. Can you tell me location of? Hello.
अटेंडेंस नहीं चढ़ाओगे तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी क्या? पेट्रोल कितने के लिए पेट्रोल? 50 महंगा पड़ेगा। तो उसने बताया होता तो वही डरा लिया जाता था 20 रुपए का। अच्छा हुआ भोसड़ी का गाड़ी वहां नहीं बनी। ए, अच्छा हुआ गाड़ी वहां नहीं बनी ITA के अंदर। तो इसका दोस्त था, ऐसे ही काम।
Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So don't focus there. Okay. I think I have removed his name. I logged also. Action will be taken. So okay. So this location means position of this point is given with respect to horizontal plane also. Is that clear ना? क्या ये बता सकते हो किस व्यू में ये डिस्टेंस दिखेगा? ये डिस्टेंस टॉप व्यू में फ्रंट व्यू में?
टॉप व्यू।
This distance.
Top view में.
right?
Top view.
Yes.
Top view.
So you can see in top view, this is your top view, na, right? This is your actual area,
Yes, sir.
right? And what is this distance? First you identify this distance, right? You identify this, and
15.
you know this starting point. You know this also, and this will not change, na? This distance will not change because this is again parallel. Okay, so this is 20. So now you can do. I think this is simple. You can do that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so question number 1 and 2 is clear, right? Now question number 3, it is somewhat different. We will do only 1, 2, 3, right? And you will submit this by today 7 p.m. right? And
Only
but,
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, 3,
One,
and
two, and three.
all of the question. Yes, lecture will be there. You will lecture will be continue. Ma'am is there. If you have any doubt, you can ask her. Okay, it will be there. Lecture will be not closed. Again, I will start the meeting. Okay, so come to question number 3. This is somewhat different. Okay, you can see a hexagonal plane A, B, C, D, E, F. Can you imagine this plane now? You can see now this is hexagonal. This one.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
यस सर।
Side is given 25. Has its plane perpendicular to HP. Like there is one hexagonal plane which is perpendicular to the. Can you imagine that? Hello.
Can you please repeat, sir? Your voice.
Okay. Means I'm telling there is one hexagonal plane. Hexagonal plane,
Yes.
you know, na? There is one hexagonal plane, and this plane is perpendicular to the horizontal plane, right? And it is inclined at 30 degree. Can you imagine this?
Yes,
पहले
sir.
इसको imagine कर लो. Now it is also saying 30 degree to the VP, vertical plane, in perpendicular to VP, and it is inclined at 30 degree to the vertical plane. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now its one side is parallel to and 10 mm above the horizontal plane. मतलब कुछ ऐसे समझ सकते हो क्या? Just let me draw it. मतलब ड्रॉ करना तो बहुत दिक्कत होगा, but I will try. This is your vertical plane, right? Horizontal plane, and see hexagonal plane is there, and it is one side is given 25 perpendicular to HP, right? Can you see? थोड़ा इमेजिन करना, ठीक है? उतना अच्छे से ड्रॉ नहीं हो पाएगा. HP and inclined at 30 degree. अब इसी प्लेन को रोटेट करेंगे तो कि ये अभी VP के पैरेलल है ये, this condition is parallel to VP. इसी को rotate करेंगे clockwise direction में, will be 30 degree to the VP. Am I correct? Hello?
सर
I
ये
am
नहीं
audible?
है।
Yes, sir.
नहीं
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
समझ में आ रहा है?
नहीं सर ये
Okay.
इंक्लिनेशन वाला।
Now you see. Okay, this is one plane, right? Okay, this is hexagonal plane, and this, according to question, one side is parallel to and 10 mm with HP. I mean, this side is parallel to HP, and it is a distance of 10 mm from the HP. Is that clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And the distance of this from vertical plane is given. कितना है? This end, you can say.
15 mm.
It is given
15 mm.
15. In question, it is given. It is parallel. It is perpendicular to HP, but it is inclined 30 degrees. So I cannot incline here. You just imagine. You just rotate this plane. जैसे ऊपर से पकड़ के एक पेज को रोटेट करते हैं ना, तो जस्ट इस डायरेक्शन में इसको रोटेट कर देंगे. ठीक है, तो वो हमारा एक्चुअल कंडीशन हो जाएगा. और दिस इज द एक्चुअल वे. एंड लाइक कैन यू टेल मी इन दिस कंडीशन व्हेन लुकिंग फ्रॉम द टॉप व्हाट यू विल सी?
Inclined line.
हेलो, मतलब ये समझो कि इसका एक एक्सिस है, ये एक्सिस वर्टिकल एक्सिस है इसका. ठीक है, इसका एक्सिस है. ठीक है, ये बताओ इसका व्हेन यू लुकिंग फ्रॉम द टॉप व्हाट यू विल सी? वन, यू विल सी वन लाइन ना, लाइक दिस. यू विल सी वन लाइन ना. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
यू कम
सर इंक्लिनेशन के कारण लाइन क्यों दिखेगा हम लोग को?
first. See, to draw the actual projection, first we will assume that this plane is perpendicular to HP, but it is parallel to VP. Is that clear?
Okay.
First you assume why we are assuming, I will tell you. First you assume that your plane is vertical to horizontal plane and parallel to VP. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
In that case, when you look from when you are looking from the front, what you will see? One hexagonal plane, actual area will be equal to original area. This one.
Yes, sir.
This is the like that I've shown with red color now. This is the condition when your plane is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Now in this case, when I'm looking from the top, what you will see? One line ना.
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
अभी ये पैरेलल है, थोड़ा एंगल चेंज करो, 20 करो, 30 करो, 40 करो, जो भी एंगल करना है. ये तो पहले हॉरिजॉन्टल है, ये एंगल भी इंक्लाइन हो, जैसे प्लेन को अगर हम रोटेट करेंगे, ये एंगल भी चेंज होता जाएगा कि नहीं होता जाएगा?
हाँ सर।
होता जाएगा ना.
जी सर.
क्या ये बता सकते हो अगर इफ वी आर रोटेटिंग दिस प्लेन एट सम एंगल, क्या टॉप व्यू का जो ये लाइन प्रोजेक्शन आ रहा है, इट कैन बी पैरेलल व्हेन इट इज पैरेलल. ओके, व्हेन इट इज इंक्लाइंड एट सम एंगल, तो यू विल गेट इट इंक्लाइंड लेंथ. क्या लेंथ चेंज होगा क्या इसका और इसका टॉप व्यू में? कभी भी, किसी भी एंगल. मींस इट डजंट मैटर एट व्हाट एंगल यू आर रोटेटिंग दिस प्लेन, लेंथ ऑफ फ्रंट टॉप व्यू विल ऑलवेज रिमेन सेम.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so this is the catch here. We will use this concept, right? Now see, ये हमारा, like you can say this is supplementary diagram, like we will reference diagram. We will, and now when this plane is inclined at 30 degree, if you're looking from the top, you will see one inclined line. This one, na? Is it okay?
So then black one will be in HB.
Yeah, HB. Correct. Okay, so now we are coming to the question. See, with the help of this, you know the top view projection length. Hello? You know, na?
Yes, sir.
And the distance of this point when it is inclined from vertical plane it is given. This distance, you know. You start from here and you know the length. You know this total length, na? This one, you can measure this length. You measure this length and take arc of that length. You will get this top view projection, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you see, this is one point. This is another point. This is this one, this one, and this one, right? So you just take the projection in this direction, dotted line. Okay. Corresponding to these 2 points, this point and this point, you come on that what top view projection. You are having this point now, this point,
Yes, sir.
this point, 1 point here and 1 point here. Is that correct? Now, if you are coming here and go here again, okay, see that point you are having. Similarly, here also now you can see this is this corner. You are having this point, this corner. For this corner in top view, corresponding point is this one now. Hello.
Yes,
तो
sir.
ये यहाँ पे पता है, यहाँ पता है, ठीक है. इसको ऐसे एक्सटेंड करना है, प्रोजेक्ट करना है. और जो यहाँ पे इंक्लिनेशन है इसको भी प्रोजेक्ट करना है. जहां पे ये दोनों लाइन मिलेगा, क्या एक पॉइंट वहां मिलेगा, एक कट करेगा.
Yes,
हेलो.
sir.
सिमिलरली ये देखो, ये जाके यहाँ भी मिल रहा है, तो इसको भी एक्सटेंड करो. और इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट ये वाला है, इसको भी एक्सटेंड करो. इसको एक्सटेंड करेंगे तो हमारा एक पॉइंट ये मिलेगा. सिमिलरली ये जो पॉइंट दोनों था, यहाँ वाला और यहाँ वाला, इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग ये पॉइंट और ये पॉइंट है. क्या ये लेंथ मेजर कर सकते हैं ड्रॉ करके? अगर ये हम ऑलरेडी ड्रॉ कर चुके हैं सारा, ये लेंथ मेजर कर सकते हैं ना, दिस वन.
Yes, sir.
ये मेजर
Yes, sir.
करके यहाँ पे आर्क ले लेना है, तो ये ड्रॉ हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली दिस साइड आल्सो. अब यहाँ से भी इसको एक्सटेंड करेंगे तो एक पॉइंट यहाँ मिलेगा, एक पॉइंट यहाँ मिलेगा. टोटल 1 2 3 4 4 मिलेगा. सिमिलरली इसको भी एक्सटेंड करो और इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग 2 पॉइंट ये है हमारा, इसको भी ऊपर ले जाओ. यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट मिलेगा. सारे पॉइंट को स्ट्रेट लाइन से ज्वाइन कर देना है. तो दैट इज योर एक्चुअल प्रोजेक्शन. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन.
So can we use protractor?
यस यू कैन. प्रोटेक्टर, प्रोटेक्टर क्यों यूज करोगे?
So that for angle 30 degree.
30 degree, yes, you can do that.
Okay, sir.
I hope it was clear to everyone.
सर ये इसको कंपास से मेजर करना है ना?
हाँ, मतलब ये वाला जो लेंथ है, let me again it is so, let me show you again. Okay. This length you can measure now. This one, this length. और ये लेंथ तो इक्वल होगा ना. तो ये लेंथ यहाँ मेजर कर लेंगे, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे, यहाँ पे एक आर्क ले लेंगे. सिमिलरली दिस साइड ये भी मेजर कर लेंगे, वही लेंथ होगा, तो यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे, यहाँ पे एक आर्क ले लेंगे और बाकी सारा प्रोसेस वही रहेगा. समझ आ रहा है? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all of you start doing. Okay. I think ma'am is here now. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are here. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay, okay. Okay, so I have explained all these three problems. So you go through that, you try to complete, and meeting will be on. Okay, so whenever having any doubt, so you can ask to ma'am. Okay.
Sir, we will not do the fourth one.
No. Fourth one is leave. Okay. First two three complete ना today. आज ही
Okay.
complete करना है, ठीक है?
So we have to show that arc.
Yes.
Or by
और
what
सब कोई
time?
कंप्लीट करेगा। हाँ, सब कोई कंप्लीट करेगा, मैम को दिखाएगा, मैम जिससे जिससे पूछेंगी वो स्क्रीन शेयर करेगा या अपना वीडियो ऑन करके दिखाएगा कि यस आई हैव ड्रॉन दैट। एंड जब क्लास खत्म हो जाएगा तो अगर जो भी छूटा होगा कंप्लीट करके अप टू 7 PM यू कैन अपलोड, राइट?
Okay, sir.
आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट।
Yes, sir.
ओके, गुड, कैरी ऑन मैम।
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm overing you, right?
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm not able to see. You have joined with what name?
Oh, okay, sir. Actually, I'm traveling, so my phone network is not connecting. So I'm with Parth Singha.
Okay,
My
so I will
husband.
make you host. Partha
Yeah,
Sarthi
yeah.
Sinha, no?
Sure.
Partha Sarthi Sinha.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are host, ma'am now. You can take care of that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So whenever a meeting is ended now, you just call me, inform me. I will start again if it is
Okay.
required, right?
Okay, sir.